Hi everyone, Liz here, thanks for stopping by. So, 2 parcels have just come through the letterbox. I hope this wasn't breakable because they've just squished it and put it through the letterbox. But I think I know what this one is, so I'm going to open this one first. Yay! Okay, so let's have a look, See if it's what I think it is. And da-da-da. It's my new little tape measure. So I've still not found my old one. Oh, this one's got a bit of extra there. That's not good. Why is that across there like that? That's not brilliant. But it's, yeah, it's a tape measure key ring. Let's see, I've never found my old one, and I do miss it because it's just it just tidies itself away. What can I say? You open it and it goes back in. So I can now measure things without having to get that other one out. So yay! The yellow one can go back in my handbag. Yay, we've got a Scotty to join the family. You watch, I'll find my other one now. But I don't mind, I'd rather have 2 than not have one at all. So that's good. That was happy mail, happy mail. Well, I think that must have been one of the quickest unboxings I've ever done. So let's see what this one is. I'm thinking it's diamond painted related. But we'll have a look and see. It's certainly got plenty of tape on it. Let's see if we can get into it without destroying the item inside. Oh, a bag in a bag. Okay, right. It's another trash bag. Okay, where's the opening for this one? Go at this side. Don't belong here, so I don't want you. Oh yeah. Oh, it wants a bit of a flatten. Right. So we have a basic toolkit, 6 little 3mm foam pads. So they've got sticky on both sides for hopefully hanging this up. A little bit of wax, a pen and a boat. Okay. We've got lots of nice sparkly gems. Oh, they look really sparkly. Look at those. Sorry, you're getting a bit of glare now as well. And this is a bunny rabbit. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that little face. Oh, and it's got its little Easter egg. So rather than it being a wreath, this one is, it's one of those like faux leather, EVM, did I say it was? Something like that. So yeah, it's very soft, very squishy. It's not going to break, and it did fold up and go through the letterbox, which is a bit naughty of the postman, but never mind, we'll let him off. Let me just see if I can flatten this down a little bit, because it's got very, very creased in the post, and it's starting to come up at certain places. She says, and now can't get it to come up anywhere. See if we can flatten it. So as you can see, the whole thing is diamond painted. It is very, very sticky. Let's get this flattened out a little bit. Just these edges here, this flower here, there's no stick on at all, so I will have to use some magic glue on there, which is a shame, but these things happen. It's just, yeah, it's just not quite landed in the right place when they've put the plastic on. Or they've not cut it out right or something, and it's just not quite gone to the edge. So I will just need to use my magic glue, and that's my Craft Buddy Crystal Art magic glue. So, but look at that little face. How can you resist that? Oh, I apologise. The background here hasn't got diamonds on it, won't have any gems on it, and his eyes won't have any gems on. But oh, look at his little paws and all these Easter eggs. And we have tulips going around the edges here. Not quite sure. They look a bit sort of clematis-like, but I'm not sure. Could be. But anyway, they're not crocuses or anything, but these are tulips. So I don't know what they are. And we've got a couple of little eggs hidden in the background there as well. Now, they actually sell these as a sticker. And I was expecting this to be, if you remember when I did my unboxing on my owl stickers, my owl wall stickers, I expected it to be like a sticker. I certainly didn't expect it to be as big as this. But yeah, but they actually class these as a wall sticker, which, whatever. And I suppose by it being a sticker, they then send you the 3D pads. Now, I wouldn't hang this with those pads because I think they will quite possibly either be, well, they'll be very difficult to get off, but they can actually take your wallpaper or your paint off as well, because they are very, very sticky, unless you want it to stay up forever. I mean, this will just go up for Easter for myself. I loved my Easter wreath I did last year in my little scene, so I'm going to have a bigger Easter display this year. And I do have a little Easter tree as well. So this was from the Ivy Home Store, and that's on AliExpress. I do believe now that some of the companies like Fansales, GBFKE, and have I seen it on FG Normal as well? I know there's quite a few of the other companies now that are selling this one, but at the time I ordered this, which was the 27th of February, I'd only really seen it on the Ivy Home Store, and with tax this one cost me £9.20, but I think it's worth it. I mean, I was paying around about £10–12 mark for the wreaths at Easter, and this one let me use my new tape measure. The first item it's going to measure, I think this is going to be, yeah, it's a well, to the tip of the point, yeah, it's about a 30 centimetre by 30 centimetre, which is 12 inches by 12 inches, so it's a really good size. It's not quite as long that way, but if you include the ear and down to the flowers, it is. So yeah, a lot bigger than I expected. I thought we were going to get one, don't know, about a 6 or 7 centimetres, that'd be like that, 6 or 7 inch little sticker I was expecting, but no, this is wonderful. I love that. I just love its expression. It's going to look so cute on the wall, and a nice pop of colour as well. I will show you a photograph once I've got all my Easter display up. I will be working on that in the next couple of weeks. I do like to have it up for a while. Right, where's the end on this? There it is. Have a look at these gems, see how many colours we've got. Oh, blimey. So we are going up to 17. So we've got 17 different gems. Okay. So now look at those. They are so crystal clear. That is wonderful. There's definitely nothing dusty about those. That's how they should come. These look like a really good set of drills. So that's your clear one. It's almost blue. It's so clear and so sparkly. That's like a very pale sort of beigey grey that's been added to that silver. And is that the same colour? No, that's a different one. So that's a slightly different shade of it. That's a little bit more grey. So I'm presuming that's going to be bunny. And then we've got like a tomatoey red, a lovely purpley colour, a yellowy gold, and that's a deep red, a pinky red, a hot pink. We've got hot pink on it. Yay! We love hot pink. We've got a green. We've got, oh, that's a nice green. That's a slightly different shade green. I like that one. And then a nice pale orange and a deeper green. And then that's a paler green there. Oh, and a nice aqua blue. And a deeper orange and a deeper gold. So there are lots of lovely colours on this one. I do like this bunny. So I'm definitely on a bunny theme at the moment. Put these away. Okay, so oh, I love that. I really do love that. Do you do an Easter theme? Do you have Easter decorations up in your house? We've had an Easter tree since about, no, it will be 1995. We had a trip across on the North Sea ferries from Hull to Rotterdam, and we went round the shops in Rotterdam, and they were selling little Easter trees, and we just loved it so much. I'll see if I can find a picture and put it in. that yeah, we've always had an Easter tree, and now the kids have got their own Easter trees that they put up as well. And yes, so that will go in the centre of my decoration. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed looking at this with me, and yay, have got my tape measure back. If you've enjoyed joining me and seeing this lovely little bunny, then a thumbs up is always much appreciated. And if you want to come back and see what I get up to next, then if you press that subscribe button in the corner and the all notifications bell next to it, you'll be notified when any of my videos come up. So thank you ever so much for stopping by, and I do hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.